Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Vanguard Digital Advisor, a robo-advisor known for its low cost and reputable service. If you're considering automated investing and want an affordable option, this review is for you. Vanguard Digital Advisor offers a cost-effective solution for those who prefer a hands-off investment approach. With its roots deeply embedded in the world of index funds, Vanguard has built a reputation over the years for providing low-cost investment options. The Vanguard Digital Advisor is no exception, boasting some of the lowest fees in the industry and access to exclusive Vanguard index funds. One of the standout features of Vanguard Digital Advisor is its extremely low fee structure. The robo-advisor charges an all-in cost of 0.15% for those who opt for an all-index fund portfolio. If you choose a mix of Vanguard ETFs and actively managed mutual funds, the fee slightly increases to 0.2%. These fees are significantly lower than many other robo-advisors on the market, making it an attractive option for cost-conscious investors. Another significant advantage of Vanguard Digital Advisor is its tax loss harvesting feature. This service can help reduce your tax bill by selling investments at a loss to offset gains. While tax loss harvesting is a common feature among robo-advisors, Vanguard's implementation is seamless and user-friendly. To get started with Vanguard Digital Advisor, you need to have at least $3,000 in a Vanguard brokerage account. This initial investment requirement is higher compared to some competitors, which offer zero minimums. However, for those who have the funds ready to invest, Vanguard's low fees can make this a worthwhile commitment. The Vanguard Digital Advisor offers three main portfolio options: an all-index portfolio, a combination of index funds and actively managed mutual funds, and an ESG environmental, social, and governance portfolio. The all-index option includes 4 different Vanguard ETFs tailored to your age, risk tolerance, and investment goals. These ETFs are Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, Vanguard Total International Stock ETF, Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF, and Vanguard Total International Bond ETF. For those interested in socially responsible investing, the ES portfolio is a compelling choice. It aligns investments with environmental and social criteria while maintaining low costs. Despite its numerous advantages, Vanguard Digital Advisor does have some limitations. One notable drawback is the lack of access to human financial advisors. While some robo-advisors offer hybrid services that include consultations with live advisors, Vanguard Digital Advisor is purely automated. If personalized financial advice is a priority for you, this might be a consideration. Additionally, the $3,000 minimum investment could be a barrier for some potential investors. While not exceptionally high, it is on the higher end in today's market, where some robo-advisors require no minimum investment. Signing up for Vanguard Digital Advisor is straightforward. You start by opening a Vanguard brokerage account and ensuring you have at least $3,000 to invest. The platform then assesses your risk tolerance, age, and investment goals to create a customized portfolio. Vanguard Digital Advisor handles all the heavy lifting, including rebalancing your portfolio and implementing tax loss harvesting strategies. The goal is to provide a hassle-free investment experience that aligns with your financial objectives. Vanguard offers customer service by phone from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. EST. While some competitors provide 24/7 support, Vanguard's hours are fairly standard for the industry. The company also has a highly rated mobile app, which makes managing your investments easy and convenient. The app's user-friendly interface has received positive reviews, with a rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars in the App Store. As mentioned earlier, Vanguard Digital Advisor's fees are among the lowest in the industry. The index-only option has a 0.15% advisory fee, which means that for a $10,000 investment portfolio, you'll pay just $15 in fees annually. Even the higher cost portfolios that combine index funds with actively managed mutual funds only charge 0.2%. Moreover, new members enjoy the benefit of no advisory fees for the first 90 days. This can be a great way to test out the service without incurring any initial costs. Vanguard Digital Advisor is an excellent choice for investors seeking a low-cost, automated investment solution. Its minimal fees, tax loss harvesting feature, and user-friendly platform make it a standout in the crowded robo-advisor market. While the lack of human advisors and a higher minimum investment might be drawbacks for some, the overall value offered by Vanguard Digital Advisor is hard to beat. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.